Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to like make your boat fly and build a boat for treasure. And you don't have to have any jets. You're just gonna need these couple of things. So I guess you can just use any kind of block you want. Here's gold blocks. Okay. You're gonna use this and you place it upwards, place it in the middle. Then you're gonna stand on it. And you're gonna stand on it, and then get a glue block and place it right. No, not right there. No. Place it right on top of you. Nope, that's it. Okay, wait 1 minute. Okay, there you go. Now you're gonna launch your boat, and then just jump and move, and you're flying pretty much. I mean, you can go to other places too. It's also really easy to go to the island. I wonder how this guy's going so fast. So you can just go fast. I don't know where my map is. No, I messed up. Oh my god, wait a minute. Keep trying. No, I don't want to no. You can. No, stop looking everywhere. Okay, I'm coming. No. This is pretty hard to control. I don't want to see it though. Wait, I died. It's because I didn't do it. Oh, that's how you do it. You usually don't die. I think I just got glitched out and died or something. I don't know what happened, but yeah. Well, goodbye guys. And that's pretty much how you fly. And you can also use jets, but that's a different way.